Right guys, today we have got a 2-bedroom Rosa Style Villa. It has off-road parking and a pedestrian gate. So let me take you inside and we'll have a look around this beautiful home. So you've got a very ornate gate here. And the oranges are just dripping off these trees, honest to God. Really beautiful. And you've got grapefruit there as well for your breakfast in the morning. So as you can see, it's all tiled all the way around. I'm just going to go up here and show you this area. So you have understairs storage here, and your off-road parking is just down here. Oh, I can't get over the oranges and grapefruits on the trees. So you have small car parking in the front. And you could put a couple of motorbikes or whatever, or a small smart car would fit in there easy. Okay, so I'm going to take you back around. Look at those oranges, aren't they gorgeous? So I'm going to show you the storage. It's quite big. I'm going to take you upstairs to the solarium. So I'm just going to walk up here, and you have a ramp here, so this is easy walking for anybody. Okay, so I'm just going to take you upstairs. Now we are on the terrace here. You have a nice table for outside dining. I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium, and then we'll go in and see the main house. Okay, guys? So let me take you up there first. There's so much to see in this property, honest to God. And there's a lovely underbuild as well. So see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So up here, as you can see for miles. You really can. And there's beautiful mountains over there. You have storage just there. You can put all your loungers and lounger cushions in there. And it's quite a big space up here, as you can see. And you're not too far from the golf club. I'll just show you if I can. Through those houses there, that's the golf club over there. So plenty of room to do things up here, and sometimes people put a top box up there. Okay, so I'm going to take you downstairs. You also got a water tap here as well. So I'm just going to take you down the steps, guys. See you downstairs. I'm back downstairs, guys, now. So you can see the length of this terrace is quite nice and large. So let me go inside, and as you can see, there's an awning over there, which we will have a look in a moment. So let's go inside. Just out here on the wreckers, you have insect screens, and you have blackout blinds, wreckers and insect screens on the windows throughout this property. So let's go in and have a look around. This is a lovely old Spanish door, nice and solid. So I'll just pan around for you as we go in. So you got your dining area there. Let's shut the door behind me. And just here, you have your feature fireplace, and you've got your dual aspect windows in here. Okay, so I'll take the room at a different angle. So as you can see, it's quite a nice large living space. You have got your ceiling light and fan above, and you have one in the dining area as well. You've also got an electric heater just down here. And if we have a look in here, you've got this lovely modern kitchen. It has cupboards, top and base units, okay? They are white, easy clean, and a lovely granite work surface. You've also got integrated hob and electric oven. Just here you have your sink and drainer, and you have your fridge freezer just there. Okay, so I'm going to come around and we'll come this way for you guys. Now just in here is one of the bedrooms. This has 2 single beds in, but will take a double bed. It also has your ceiling light and fan there. So on the doors, just here and on the bathroom, they have mirrors inset in the doors, which is quite unusual. So just over here is your guest shower room. So you got your shower room, you got your washing machine there, frosted glass window. And I'm just going to pan around slightly for you. And you can see you have got your WC and your sink in a nice vanity unit. Okay. It's all tiled from ceiling to floor. And just above the door, you have a heater. Okay. So let's carry on. We go inside into the master bedroom. Now this is the master bedroom. It's quite large and you have a door out to the pool area on the other end. Just in here is your ensuite. You do have a single wardrobe here with overhead storage and your wardrobe. That's really just to put your towels or whatever you need in there. Here you have a bath with the shower attachment. You have your WC, your bidet and a sink there on a pedestal, okay? Just going down here just to give you a look. And just over the door there, you've got a heater as well. Got your shaving socket on the wall as well. So let's go down here now. Just here, it's quite a large room. And you've got double wardrobes on either side. And just out here, this leads outside. So I've just come out of the bedroom here, and as you can see, there is a nice little terrace. You could put some rattan furniture would fit on here, or a bistro table with 2 chairs, you know. It's just a nice small area directly in the sun where you could sit and have your morning orange juice looking over that beautiful pool. Okay. So I'm going to take you down the steps, and there are other steps there up to the front terrace, but we're going to have a look around here first. So just to give you some context of where you are in this property, so this is the driveway, and just here is the small terrace where you have your back door from the bedroom, okay? Just here you have a shower. And then the pool pump is just there. I'll go over into the shades to give you a different angle and see this beautiful pool. So you've got a lovely dolphin in the pool there, and it's quite a large space. Down the other end, you've got your loungers and your swing seat, so you can enjoy every moment of this outside space. You've also got a lovely bistro table and chairs over there sitting in the sun. And but you could put them up on the terrace where you could have your fresh orange juice from your own trees in the morning. So here's a different angle of the pool, and as you can see, you've got the elephant's ear. This is the silver handle here. They call that an elephant's ear, so it's easy access to help you into the pool, and you have ladders into the pool the other end as well, so no problems there. So just here, I'm going to bring you down, and we've got an underbuild. So you've got about 1 step here. All these tiles, of course, are non-slip. And I'm just going to bring you down here. We've got an underbuild, okay? So just in here, it's like a little workshop, you know. You have a strip light there, and you have some plug sockets and ventilation as well. And you have another door further in. I can't find the light switch to put all that on for you, but it's quite a large area. You could reform it if you wanted to as well. I'm just going to come back here. And of course you got steps up to the main house. All right. So I'm going to go back up. So I'm just going to go back up here. And we're going to go back up the ramp. You've got beautiful roses there. I mean, it needs a little bit of deadheading, but the flowers are beautiful here. Well-established plants and trees with all those voluptuous oranges. Can you imagine having them just for your morning breakfast? Oh, they're beautiful.